If you're waking up at 3 a.m. after 60, this isn't just stress or normal aging, it's a cortisol emergency. Doctors are seeing it more than ever, yet many people are told it's just getting older. That's not true. Your body isn't broken, it's responding to stress signals. At night, cortisol can spike unexpectedly, disrupting deep sleep, memory, and emotional balance. Research shows that even small, repeated cortisol increases can accelerate brain aging and increase forgetfulness after 60. The good news? This system can be reset with food. Certain nutrients act as biological switches, calming cortisol and restoring deep sleep naturally. Let's start with a simple but powerful option. Cottage cheese paired with pumpkin seeds works by stabilizing blood sugar overnight, preventing cortisol spikes while you sleep. Casein protein digests slowly, while pumpkin seeds provide magnesium and zinc that activate GABA, the brain's calming signal. Eat 1/2 cup full-fat cottage cheese with 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds, 60 to 90 minutes before bed. Another gentle but effective choice is kiwi with almond butter. Kiwi supports serotonin and melatonin, helping your body transition into deep sleep. Almond butter slows glucose release and supports adrenal balance. Try 1/2 kiwi with 1 teaspoon almond butter, about 1 hour before sleep. A more substantial option works earlier in the evening. Lentils, combined with olive oil, provide slow digesting carbohydrates that prevent nighttime glucose drops, a common trigger for cortisol release. Olive oil reduces inflammatory stress signals. Eat 1/2 cup lentils with 1 tablespoon olive oil, 3 to 4 hours before bed for many people. This familiar food works surprisingly well. Oatmeal with chia seeds and cinnamon steadies cortisol rhythms, supports adrenal function, and improves insulin sensitivity. Use 1/2 cup oats, 1 teaspoon chia, and 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, warm and unsweetened, 60 to 90 minutes before bed. One of the most calming combinations focuses directly on the nervous system. Avocado provides potassium and healthy fats that quiet adrenal output. Collagen peptides supply glycine, which helps the brain relax into deeper sleep. Blend 1/2 avocado with 1 scoop collagen, about 1 hour before bed. And what makes all of this truly work is consistency. When these foods are used regularly, your stress response retrains itself. Cortisol normalizes, deep sleep returns, and 3 a.m. wake-ups begin to fade away. Start with just 1 tonight. Small science-backed choices can restore sleep, protect memory, and help your body relearn calm after 60. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get more science-backed tips for better sleep and health after 60.